You know see, girl dash where your road and some boy still a place cover now don't want none. Put me hand on the Bible, me swear to your honor. Believe me, a girl over gun. International girl is a woman and me yard in a bed, so my sleep and rum. No, me no watch man pants, boy, call me no tailor for that. You was straight fire bone.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? Suhverto is denying allegations that he has been booted from J.O.P, but is still in the group and wants more focus to be placed on his career. He also stated that ever since Aidonia signed the management deal with Todd, J.O.P has been left in the cold. He is now looking into sorting out his bookings with a different team.
Shanka gun yam them food like early morning breakfast. Talk about them a bad man and them don't know the art. I talk about them war flip my life like a $5 kind. Make me go under the gun and make me last. I poop up like gangsta and them now make no walk. Now make no dark bar. Me them can't give no talk. Now hide me face when time me see them fool. Cause them don't know me face it mark. Now someone up here, know them a chat.
What the deal? Gyptian is denying allegations that Ian Bounty Killer was involved in an argument because Gyptian was allegedly dating Bounty Killer's ex-girlfriend, but it isn't true. There isn't any bad blood between both artists.
I understand how he feels, but I wish you'd give me a little room. I know he's got himself a raw deal. Ooh. I'd like to leave you this lady too. I didn't mean to be so unkind, but I had more than two and one was looking fine.
What the deal? Blak Ryno is stating that Popcaan copied his style, flow and image in new song called Follow Me Up. Is he telling the truth? Who knows?
You boy run with my flow, run with my style. Your girlfriend them a say you won't catch my smile. You run with my flat up and say I never mind. Then you run with me image and you are not my child. Boy you just a follow me up, you just a follow me up. You just a follow me up, you just a follow me up. You just a follow me up, you just a follow me up. I this thing no boy can call me up. Me a the original, them a knock off man.
What the deal? Vybz Kartel ganja trial was postponed until March 14 and was offered $40,000 bail but will remain in custody as he was remanded on a murder charge.
Up to the sky, I told him it's cartel, easily. Don't drink and drive. Why? Smoke and fly. Why not? Round to the hour, cell block. Yeah. I told him I never went to high school. Why you did that? But I went to school hard. Okay. Timeless. No. First thing me do when me wake up, one night get me nerves pass. Straight from West Town boss. Me have to smoke a pound fast.
What the deal? People, make sure you check out the islandvibes.com for the latest music, news and mixtape. It is very easy to sign up, so come and join the community. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
But now me return, come me concern. Righteousness to get to use them and learn. Don't stop the fire, be a guns and get burned. Until you get to use a full time.